Mountains have always encouraged us to take on new challenges. There is a mystique aura surrounding them that motivates us to go into the mountains again and again. It's nature in its purest form, raw, wild, untamable. In 1982, Giri Premi was established with the motive of mountaineering for happiness. It is one of the few organizations in India dedicated to promote and carry out hardcore mountaineering activities in Sahyadris and Himalayas. In the year 2012, Giri Premi set out a new milestone in the history of Indian mountaineering when 8 members from Team Giri Premi scaled the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest. Since then, Giri Premi embarked upon the journey to scale all 14 8,000er peaks in the world. In the subsequent years, Giri Premi has led successful expeditions to Mount Lhotse and Mount Everest in 2013, Mount Makalu in 2014, Mount Choyu and Mount Dholagiri in 2016. In the year 2017, Team Giri Premi geared up for the challenging Mount Manaslu expedition. Manaslu is known as the Mountain of Spirit, deriving its name from Sanskrit word Manas. At 8,163 meters, it is the 8th highest peak in the world. Manaslu is known for its treacherous route and unpredictable weather pattern. 3 climbers from Giri Premi, Umesh Jhirpe, Ashish Mane and Akshay Patke took up the challenge. The team left from Pune on 1st of September 2017 with a burning desire to scale this peak. Team commenced the journey with the blessings from Lord Shiva at Pashupatinath temple. After a small journey on the last motorable road, team reached the small town of Dharapani. Walking through the dense woods, they reached Bhimtang. The fatigue faded away by the breathtaking views of glorious mountains. It was a moment of an intimate connection between nature and man. The difficult journey of Larke Pass at 5,106 meters was indeed a memorable experience because of the time spent sharing views on mountaineering and how it helped to shape, nurture and grow the soul of mankind. The Sherpas are an integral part of every expedition. They are the host, the guides and true companions amongst this inhuman environment. It is with their help such ascension is possible.
ही शेर्पा मंडळी सर्व प्रकारची कामं करतात. म्हणजे बेस कॅम्पचा सेटअप करणं, किचन उभारणं, तंबू लावणं, सगळं हिमालयातलं आमची जी साधन सामुग्री आहे ती वरच्या कॅम्पपर्यंत पोहोचवणं आणि शेवटच्या टप्प्यापर्यंत म्हणजे शिखर माथ्यापर्यंत ते आमच्या सोबत करतात. म्हणजे खरंच एक वेगळ्या अर्थाने ते सखी सोबती असतात.
The team reached Samagaon via Dharamshala after 10 days of continuous walking through the remote parts of the Himalayan ranges. This journey opens a new realm of experience for everyone. We share our voyage with the people from all over the world. This exposure surprises and inspires at the same time. We come across different cultures, customs, traditions and people. This is perhaps one of the most important aspects of mountaineering. It shows us the life through different perspectives and makes us humble. The team reached the base camp, which will be their home for coming weeks. Here, they will prepare loads for the camp above and will push to the summit when the weather is just right.
हिमालयातील प्रत्येक मोहिमांची सुरुवात आमच्याबरोबर जे शेर्पा बांधव असतात हे सगळे शेर्पा आहेत ते बुद्धिस्ट आहेत आणि हे खूप श्रद्धाळू आहेत. त्यामुळं जवळजवळ प्रत्येक मोहिमेची सुरुवात ही सुरुवातीला त्या पर्वताची पूजा करून होते.
After puja ceremony, the team decides to make first rotation till Camp 2 at 6,200 meters to get acclimatized and to dump loads for the summit attempt. Ganesh and Bhushan were in contact with the team, giving key insight on the weather. the team receives information that the weather window will be around 26th of November. Climbing steep walls during the snowfall, truly an inhuman task. But with determination, they rose above the challenge. Next was Camp 3 at 6,800 meters through blue ice as tough as stone. At 7,400 meters, Akshay and Ashish reached Camp 4 at 12:30 p.m. The summit was just a few hundred meters away, but both of them were aware that anything could happen, as last year both missed the summit of Mount Dhaulagiri just by 200 meters.
पण यावेळेस मी आधीच ठरवलं होतं की आपण समिटचा विचार करायचा नाही, जस्ट स्टेप बाय स्टेप फोकस करायचं आणि त्याच्यामुळेच मी समिटवरती पोहोचू शकलो. आणि असं म्हणतात की डेस्टिनीपेक्षा जर्नी एन्जॉय करणं जास्त महत्त्वाचं असतं आणि त्याचा अनुभव मला यावेळेस आला.
They started the climb from Camp 4 at midnight, battling against chilling cold and blowing winds. The morning of 26th September brought huge smiles on the faces of every Giri Premi. Akshay and Ashish unfurled the Indian tricolour on the top of Mount Manaslu.
बोल आशिष. अरे अभिनंदन, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. माझ्या मनास्लू मोहिमेच्या आर्थिक उभारणीमध्ये खूप मोठा पाठिंबा ज्यांनी दिला, त्यामध्ये मला आत्ता आवर्जून उल्लेख करावा असं वाटतो. म्हणजे माझं ते कर्तव्य आहे. त्यामध्ये विद्यावली स्कूलचे विवेक गुप्ता, सेनगुप्ता मॅडम, मुंबईचे सुरेश हावरे सर, क्युबिक सिस्टीमचे विजय जोशी, नितीन नाईक सर, जयसिंग मरीवाला, सातारचे डॉक्टर संदीप श्रोती, मिलिंद हळबे, अशी अनेक मंडळी. ह्या सगळ्या मंडळींच्या पाठिंब्याशिवाय या मनास्लू मोहिमेचं आर्थिक बजेट उभं राहणं शक्य नव्हतं.
This passion and devotion towards mountaineering makes Giri Premi a unique organization. With successful summit of Mount Manaslu, Giri Premi has kept the graph rising. In consecutive 6 years, brave mountaineers of Giri Premi have achieved the distinction of summiting 6 peaks in the 8,000er league. They have fought dead zones, braved the harsh and cold weather only to emerge successful. Out of the 14 peaks of 8,000er club, 6 have been scaled. Giri Premi is committed to complete all summits in coming years. With the fire in heart and passion in eyes, Giri Premi is ready to take on such challenges happily and prove their motto, mountaineering for happiness.